Hello there, we're going to go through something I like to call Kung Fu wrists, mainly because I've heard somebody else do this and they got it from some Kung Fu master, so I'm going to do my best interpretation of it. If you have done Kung Fu and know what I'm on about, please do correct me if I'm sending it wrong. This is my interpretation. What we want to do is start with the elbows in, hands out flat, keep the fingers together. You're going to, as powerfully as you can, pull the fingers in towards each other, then away. Now, one finger at a time, drop to ball your hand into a fist, rotate around and then extend thumb and then one finger at a time to open up for one rep. Flatten down, in, out, one finger, ball the fist, rotate, one finger, spread the hands, flat, in, out, repeat for about 10 to 15 reps. Hopefully